this last day. Right? So, before you're going to sit, please pick up the pieces of paper under your chairs. Madaming nakakalat. Okay. Then arrange your chairs at the back. And then sit down properly. Okay, is that clear?
Yes!
Okay, now, I'm going to check your attendance. Okay, attendance. Okay, so by using our magic signal. So, make sure that you're on your proper seat so that you won't park in absent. Alright, so very good, Juliana. Okay, no one is absent today. Let's give ourselves a nice clap. You know how to do the nice clap?
Yes!
I want times to energy, ha? 1, 2, 3, go! Very good. Napaka-energetic. Alright, now, here we go. The most exciting part. Okay. What are the things that we need to do, or what you should do, when somebody is talking in front?
Teacher! 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 Teacher!
I'm not done yet. Let me first see. Okay, what are the things that we need to do, or what are the rules that we need to adhere to throughout the session? Okay, listen. Okay, I'm going to give you this, but promise me that you're going to eat this after the... Okay, that is already a rule. Okay, my class, my rule. Okay, so understood? Other hands, I want to hear from the back. Let's go. Second row. Third row here. Silent. Exercise lang. Okay, Nadrian. Participate, teacher. Okay, very good, Nadrian. Participate. Okay. Another. Oh yes, Pearl.
Yes. Raise your right hand, teacher, if you want to talk, teacher.
Wow, answer, Pearl. Okay, another. Yes, Bunny.
Set down notes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, girl, ba? Udi.
Respect each other.
Respect each other. Okay, thank you. Right. Thanks so much for that. And those rules. Okay, so those rules that we mentioned are the rules that we need to adhere to. Are you listening?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Yes!
Okay, so those rules that you mentioned are the rules that we need to adhere. Please, you may come in. Daming advertisement. So those two that you mentioned are the rules that we need to adhere to throughout the session. Okay, can I expect that from you, children?
Yes, teacher!
Now, I'm going to divide the class into 3. Okay, starting here from Annie to Parson, you will be the group 1. Okay, and you will wear this so that I can easily identify with what group you belong. And starting on here to Juliana, then to Audrey, you will be the group 2. Please wear that. And then the rest, at the back, you are the group 3. Alright. Please wear that. Okay, where's the group 1? Finger here. Okay, very good. Group 2. How about the group 3?
Teacher!
Parang dito lang ang group 3. How about the other side? Okay.
Yes.
Am I loud and clear?
Yes, teacher!
I have prepared here a picture, a pretty picture. Now, what can you see on this?
Teacher!
What can you see on this picture? Oh, yes, Emmy.
There are 3 empty cards, teacher.
And that's very good. There are 3 empty cards. What else?
Teacher!
Yes, Audrey.
There are 3 ladies, teacher.
Yes, there are 3 ladies. There are 3 ladies and push cards. Okay. So, wait. I'm not done yet. Okay, there are 3 ladies and push cards. Okay, they have their own push or pushing cards. Okay, now, Meron. Yes. So, in Korean, I know that you love watching movies or Korean movies. So, Kasi for example, you don't know that name of that lady or woman. So, what do you usually call them? What is the, ano? Very good, Syra. That's Ajuma. Okay, meron si ano? Okay. So this is Ajuma 1, Ajuma 2, Ajuma 3. Pero pag lalaki, Ajuma 3. Okay. Okay, this is Ajuma 1, Ajuma 2, Ajuma 3. Okay. Ajuma 1 represent the group 1. Where's the group 1? Here! Ajuma 2 represent the group 2. Okay, parang walang kaya. Okay. And Ajuma 3. Very good. Now, aside from their pushing parts, okay, where do you think they are? Yes, Charmaine. Yes, they are in the market. Very good, Charmaine. Okay, now what do you think they are doing there in the market? Yes, Rizali. Yes, very good, Rizali. Okay, they are going to buy some goods which is, or specifically, that rich in essential nutrients. Alright, now, group 1. Where's the group 1? Group 2. Your job is to help these 3 Ajumas here. Okay, so now, what are the things that you need to do in order... What are the things that you need to do in order for you to help these 3 Ajumas? Another hand. Oh, Earl. Yes, Earl. Yes, very good, Earl. Participate. Another. Parson.
Teacher, answer your questions.
Answer your question correctly. Yes. Palakpakan si Parson. Another. Last one. Yes, Sahir.
Finish your task.
Finish your task. Very good, Sahir. And most important is you need to pray and yeah, another. You need also to behave so that I will not deduct you.
Yes.
Noise. Alright. So now. Yes. Okay, now. Who among you here knows how to sing? Oh, very good. So I know that all of you here are very gifted and talented. I agree. Alright. So this time we will just only sing, no dance, no dancing. Alright. We will just sing. Teacher Mark prepared a special song for you. This is special because we will learn and have fun at the same time. Okay. So are you ready to sing with me? I want times 2 energy. Are you ready to sing with me? First, si Diana lang naririnig ko ay mabangwala. Okay, the title of the song is Essential Nutrients. But this time, I will sing first. After that, we will sing together. Alright? Okay, are you ready to listen? After that, I will ask you some questions. ang song ha.
Pastor kasi, guys.
Pastor everything.
Okay. Pastor. Okay, take two. Ready? Thank you so much, children. Alright, did you enjoy the song? Are you sure? Gusto na umuwi, kaya gusto na kumain. Alright. So, this slide, I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay. What are the nutrients that mentioned in the song that make us strong? Yes, Via.
Protein teacher.
Protein. What else? Teacher Rihanna.
Minerals.
Minerals. Yes, very good. Another. Teacher. Yes, Darbs teacher. Meron. Meron pa. Protein, minerals. Okay, very good. Those are the essential nutrients that mentioned in the song. Okay, I think we are now ready for our next activity because
Yes.
Teacher Jelly prepared a special activity for Okay, Teacher Jelly, are you ready? Okay, the floor is yours now. Let's give a warm applause to Teacher Jelly.
Very good. I like that energy. So, since we already know the different food groups, now we will going to have our activity. You want it, guys? So, our activity is called Nutrition Bingo. Do you know what is bingo? How long you here playing already bingo? Okay, you have an idea how to play a bingo. So, out each group, so the group one, where is the group one again? Okay, the group two, and the last group. Okay, so I'll be going to give you one bingo card each group. So in this card, it consists of 5 boxes. So the 5 boxes is classified into their following groups. So in these food groups, you are going. So I have here also a bingo container in which instead of bingo balls, I will be using a small card. So in this card, it contains a description, a details, or a sample of a food group. So your job is to identify which food groups it belongs. Understand? So instead of pull the card in our pattern, I am going to lessen it for you to be able to finish the activity as soon as possible. So, okay, so the pattern is I pattern. So it means you need to pull the boxes up and down and upper or horizontal position or vertical position. Basta I, so you need to pull also the middle. So I pattern. So who among you on your groups able to get the pattern? Instead of raising your hands, I'll be going to distribute you a, what is this? Pattern. So if you are the one who finished the eye pattern, so you need to buzz and your group will say, bingo, we are healthy. Is that clear? Yes! Good job. So I'll be going to distribute you group 1. Alright, so who's the leader? And okay, group number 3. Okay, are you ready, class? I'll be reading the descriptions or the details twice. So you need to mark it with a marker. Okay, marker for group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay, don't destroy anything, okay? At the end of the class, I'll be getting the marker and the bingo cards. Okay. Okay, form a circle silently. Okay, form your group circle. Alright, are you ready? Okay. So work silently. I'm noticing that you're not cooperating. I will lessen your points on your incentive chart. Okay, is that clear? Okay. Okay. Sa letra. In letter W, this nutrients gives us energy. Example, rice and bread. W, it gives us energy. Example, rice and bread. Okay? Second part will be letter F. This nutrient stores energy. Example, butter and oil. Okay? This stores energy. Example, butter and oil. Okay, letter B. These nutrients help build strong muscle. This helps build strong muscle in letter B. Letter E. Alright. Okay, so letter F again. F again. This supports muscles development. Example, fish. Letter F. Okay, reminders. There's a letter up on your nutrition bingo. So you need to follow that letter. Clear, class? Okay. So bawal ang kanji. Okay? This nutrient helps body growth. Class, this nutrient helps body growth. Letter F. Under letter F, these nutrients help body grow. Alright. Okay. So you need to cooperate with each other. No tangiing on our class. Okay. On letter W again, these nutrients help remove waste from the body. Okay, this helps remove waste from the body. Okay, so letter W. Okay, who are buzzing there? I will mark you, I will remove your points. Again, I told you, work with your ear. Okay. So, letter C, class. This stores energy for later. Example, cheese. Okay? Alright. Next one. Letter B. This forms enzyme. Examples, meat and egg. Letter D. This forms enzyme. Examples, meat and egg. Okay. Letter C. This protects organ. Example, avocado and oil. Letter C. This protects organs. Okay? W. This nutrients fuels the brain and body. W. This nutrients fuels brain and body. Okay? Fuels. Right. This stores extra energy. Okay, example is butter. Letter P. Letter P. Extra energy. Again, not sure with your bingo, don't press the buzzer or else I will less your points. Okay, letter F, this supports cells. Okay, example, butter. Letter F, example, butter. Okay, this gives long-lasting energy. Letter C, this gives long-lasting energy. Example, nuts. Okay, group 2, let me check your cards.
You may, ma'am.
Okay.
Hindi mo tayo. Saan lang sa amin, no? Wala, mali. Mali yan, mali yan. Mali yan.
Okay. We have a winner! So, group 2 will receive 3 points. Group and the remaining groups will receive 1 point each. So, return the cards and the buzzer. Okay. Okay, so settle down and sit properly, class. Okay, did you enjoy our activity today? Who says no? Alright, no one. So that's great, class, that you have already enjoyed our activity. Since we have already our winner, let me ask the winning team. So winning team, based on your observation on our bingo, so what are the foods or what are the single foods that your group has debated, and which are the 2 groups that you need to classify them, but you need to stop between? So which single food that your team debated? Yung hindi kayo sure na yun talaga ang nasa tama pa siya. So, anong 2 groups that, the food groups that you've been stuck between? Yes, I want to hear Rana.
Teacher, she's po teacher. So, we are confused po tsaka nag-debate po saan po pa siya bilong, sa carbohydrates or sa fats. Pero based kay Earth, bilong po siya sa
Yes. Yung, ano yung Rana?
cheese.
Cheese. Very good. So, now, since you already did your part, we are going to give group 2 a bingo club. You know how to do the bingo club?
No!
So I'll do it first. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, B, I, N, G, O. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, I want it twice out. Wait, because you may sit down first. So I want B, I, N, G, O. Again, B, I, N, G, O. Okay, let's do it together. Bingo club. 1, 2, 3. Stand up, all your team, stand up. Group 2. You may follow with us. Oh, all of us. You'll do it. Or else, I will left the point. Okay. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. B, I, N, G, O. B, I, N, G, O. Okay, let's go. Alright. So, and specifically, that challenges that group 2 facing is what we are going to begin our discussion. So here, we are going to understand that there are certain foods that are complex and contains 1 or 2 nutrients. So also we are going to learn how these foods classify primarily in their nutrients. So our topic today is all about essential nutrients and their functions. Okay. Alright, group 2. Yes, Juliana. Any idea idea about essential group? Since we already in grade 4, what is your idea about essential group? Or essential nutrients?
Mga healthy foods, teacher.
Yes, healthy foods. And the foods that contains essential nutrients. Yes, Carson.
Teacher, ito po yung mga foods na kailangan ng katawan natin.
Yes, very good. These are the food that our body needs. So essential nutrients, it is a body building blocks that the body needs. So essential nutrients, this is what our body needs for us to stay alive or survive, stay healthy and able to grow. So first, we are going to tackle first the nutrients. So we are not going to learn what is nutrients. So nutrients class anyway, it is a essential chemical substance that obtained in the food that fuels, grow and help us regulate our body for us to survive or live. So these essential nutrients contains 3 categories. So, first category is categorized as macronutrients, micronutrients, and water. Very good. So, macronutrients class are the nutrients your body needs large amount to function properly. It means macronutrients are the nutrients that our body needs a big amount. Okay, so macronutrients, it is essential for us, or it is needed for our body, for us to grow and stay healthy and work, also our body works properly. Also, under the macronutrients, these are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Okay. So, again, carbohydrates, it is a nutrient that provides the body with energy. So, who among you has no energy today?
Sahir!
Sahir, you don't have energy? Okay. Okay. Can you stand up, Sahir? And do jumping. Okay, energy. Sahir has energy. So, energy is needed in our body. So, example of these carbohydrates are what? Rice is only in the Philippines that rice is important to all Filipinos. Do you believe it, class? Yes, because Filipino loves to eat rice. Very only rice because Filipino always wants rice. Kulang ang day ng mga Filipinos without rice. So, who among you here doesn't love rice? It means you are not Filipino. Okay? So, because Filipino loves to eat rice. Do you believe it?
Yes.
Okay, next one. What is this, class? Yes, very good. This is a bread. So, again, I'll be giving you rewards, but you need to eat this later on our class. Okay, after our class. Okay. So, this is a bread. Who among you eat here bread? Okay, very good. Almost all of you love to eat bread. So, what time you eating bread? Morning. Yes, a morning pandesal is delicious with yes. Pancit canton also. There with pancit canton in the afternoon. Yes, one of the bread belongs to carbohydrates. Again, this one. What kind of recipe you eat? Don't you know? Potato? kitchen. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas kasi mahal ang patatas. Huwag na bili. Okay, this potato, can you mix it with your other recipes like adobo, estofado, ano ba? Almost all. Okay. So, you know, carbohydrates, it gives us energy. So, do you have any idea what physical activities in our class needs energy? What physical activity? Yes, sir?
Dancing.
Yes, dancing. What else? Yes, Jocelyn. Running, of course, we need energy. What? Louder.
Jaywalking.
Jumping, okay. Jumping, yes,
Walking teacher.
Walking. At the back, yes, Molina. Playing. Very good. So, all of those, okay, later on, all of those that you mentioned are, we need energy for us to do the activity. So, if you don't have any energy, it means you didn't take your yes, you don't have carbohydrates in your body. Carbohydrates, it is essential and needed for our body to function and gives energy. Next one is, yes, Lisa, can you read?
Nutrients that help build, repair, and grow muscles and tissues. Found in meat, fish, eggs, and beef.
Alright, so what is this class? Yes, very good. Who among you here loves to eat meat? Yes, all of you. I want to hear from Judy. What kind of recipe of meat that is your favorite? What? Another. What kind of adobo? Pork adobo. Delicious. What else? Sorry for our Muslim classmates, but respect from all of you that pork adobo is what Christian love most. So we need also to respect our Muslim classmates. Okay, also haram from our Muslim classmates, but it's also delicious.
That's why you
Also reminders, eating too much is not okay, that's good ingredient. Steak and beef steak. Alright, that's delicious. Yes.
also eat medium rare steak.
Okay, all of you. So you know how much the beef costs today? Yes. I think steak is really a high price for us
Expensive
people,
teacher.
especially for us Filipino in a lower class or a middle class. So, okay, but those recipes are delicious in my mind or anyone's mind. So, okay, next is, alright, what is this? Tuna. Fish. What particular recipe you want? Adobo. What is it? What kind of fish you want in adobo? Okay, only one. I will place it. What recipe you want?
Every thousand
Fried. Okay, that's very common. Fried fish. Alright, next one. Okay, this is very famous from me and other co so this is egg is very famous in twice a week. So we cannot eat egg higher than that because it can also cause us negative in our body or the negative impact in our body. So this is high in protein. So, alright, this is beans. Very good. Beans is also high in protein. I know Africans love to eat beans. They love beans instead of rice. So this is delicious also. So, you know, class, what are the, okay, is there any noises coming from Earn? Okay, Earn, do you have a question? Alright, very good. So, protein, also class, needed in our body for us to give and help us build or repair our tissues and muscles. So, let me ask you, what are the possible physical activities that we need build or repair and able to grow our muscles? Yes, Errol.
Push up future.
Okay, push up. Yes, yes, yes. Gym, of course, if you are lifting a heavy weight. Okay, so you need muscles. Okay, other hand, I want to hear Karen. Karen. Okay, exercise, of course, we need our muscles also to function. Yes, Kim. Yes, we stand up, Kim. Zumba, okay. Also, we need, but heavy Zumba, I think we need, protein. So, but in Zumba, I stand by already na. So, okay na. So, next is fat. So, fat is a nutrient that gives energy and help absorb vitamins. Okay, found in, yes, Daniela?
Oh my God! And also every teacher, lot of fun.
Okay, class, all of us in our body contains fats. Do you agree? Class, if we don't have fats, we cannot move properly. Do you agree? Because fats helps our muscles, bones for it to function. Just imagine class, if your, yes, right there, if your, I think if your cars or motorcycles doesn't work properly, okay, or like spare water cell oil, it will not function properly. That's the fact of the body. So, all of us have fats in our body, but it is a good fat. Alright, so examples of this class are cheese. You love cheese. Super cheese, right? Okay. Cheese. Also, do you know what animals love cheese?
Go.
Wait. In the cartoons, this is famous. Mouse love to eat cheese. Yes. But in your home, without cheese, even though you have a spoiled food left in your refrigerator or in your table, rats love to eat those spoiled food. So don't left any leftovers because rats are not good in our body also, class. So you need to clean and wash our dishes every day. So, okay, do you understand? Okay, this is another example of oil. Okay, very good class. Oil. And the other hand, you eat nuts to eat nuts. Okay, almonds. Do you eat almonds? You know, class, when I am, when I was before in Saudi Arabia, so I have tour car. So I worked before in Saudi Arabia. I eat first time almond and I think other peanuts. But I know only peanuts in our country is the most common. But first time of me to eat almonds in Riyadh. So because there we can only buy what we want because the price is not that high as what the price is in the Philippines. So okay, so these are the examples of nuts. Do you understand? Okay. The second essential nutrients or categorized under essential nutrients is micronutrients. So, this is very common on our class. Micronutrients consist of vitamins and minerals. So, okay, let's read all together micronutrients first.
Micronutrients. Essential nutrients that your body needs in small amounts to function properly.
So, okay, unlike macronutrients, micronutrients need a small amount. So, ibig sabihin, just a little amount, but it is needed pa rin. Kahit maliit lang siya, it is needed in our body for us to stay healthy and function properly. Very good. So, part of these micronutrients is vitamins and minerals. So, vitamins and minerals are substances that keeps the body healthy and protect it from sickness. So, this found in, what is this? So, fruits and vegetables. So, who among you here loves to eat fruits? Yes, one. So, what kind of fruits you want to eat at home? Hoy, mango. Do you know mango contains vitamin A and helps us also function in our eyesight. So that gives us additional vitamin A. So what else? Yes. Ana, yes. Ani.
in orange.
Okay. Do you know, class? Orange it is rich in vitamin C. So it is very good in nowadays because uso ngayon ang blue. So you need to eat orange. So what else?
Teacher, I love eating pineapple.
Pineapple also is good in vitamin C. Alright. What else?
I love to eat mangosteen.
Mangosteen. I think mangosteen is good for has a potassium and also a good in almost all of the vitamins consist on mangosteen. We have I think mangosteen medicine, right? And egg. So mangosteen is really good. Yes.
Grapes, teacher.
Grapes also great good in I think also potassium and vitamin C as well. All right. Yes, Ria. Okay, watermelon is good in vitamin A. Yes.
Strawberry, teacher.
Okay, strawberry also good in vitamin C. Yes, banana. Banana. Okay, banana. Do you think that banana is also also classified part of carbohydrates, but it can also gives us potassium. That's good in digestion. Alright. Understand that?
Yes.
Okay. May I know who loves to eat a vegetable? Yes, Adrian.
Teacher.
What vegetables you want to eat?
Hello, teacher.
Teacher.
Hello? Okay, wait. Let's listen first to Adrian because he's saying something. Yes, Adrian, stand up.
Teacher, I love to eat eggplant, teacher.
Eggplant. Okay, eggplant. What recipe you want to eat? Eggplant? Or talong. Yes.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes, Rana.
Teacher, my favorite vegetable is ampalaya.
Okay, ang palaya is good also in our body. So it gives us iron. Okay, yes. Okay, I think Rhea saying something. Yes, Rhea.
Teacher, I love to eat okra.
Okay, okra is also delicious. It turns in soup. Okay. All done said class. Thank you. So next, yes. Okay, minerals. So minerals is a nutrient that helps build strong bones and teeth and keeps the body working well. Found in milk. Okay, milk. Okay, who loves to eat? Who loves to drink? Okay, sorry class. Who loves to drink milk? Yes. What kind of milk, brand you are drinking?
The beer brand, teacher, and as well as the Birch Release.
all of you class needs to drink milk because
Every night.
Yes, sir.
Every night before I go to sleep,
So let's give her a big clap. Okay, I'm hearing something from Steph and Judy. Are you saying something out there? Okay, what brand you are drinking? Stand up. I want to hear the brand. Beer brand. Okay, beer brand. Yeah. Okay, fresh milk. Yes, fresh is good. Yes. Alright. Okay, so much for that. Okay. Alright. Okay. Hep hep. So, if you are not reciting on my class, please don't. Oh, when I am still talking. Is that clear, class? Alright. Next. What is this? Leafy vegetables. This also helps in our body for it to function. So, this contains a lot of minerals, lahat na, especially iron. Leafy vegetables contains a lot of iron. So, if your body or if you are experiencing, cramps, eyesight or loss of eyesight, it means possibility that you still, lack of iron. So what do we call, class, what do we call a person has a less iron in the body?
Iron deficiency.
Okay, so what do we call anemia or anemic person? Alright, so class, you should eat leafy vegetables. And also we have here meat. Like protein, also meat has a lot of minerals. So we need to eat meat and also for us to help in our body to function well. Okay, so you learned something today, class? Okay, so why do you think, class, it is special for us to learn? Okay, sorry. I forgot something. That's my mistake. So, at the last and final essential nutrients that we're going to discuss today is water. You know, class, water is very important in our body. Is it correct? If we don't have water in our body cannot function very well, or we cannot, it cannot work properly because we are nutrient, loss of water. So nutrients that keeps the body hydrated, helps digestion, and removes waste. Who among you here doesn't drink water? Okay. So here, you're not drinking water? Okay.
8 to 9 class a day.
Okay, very good. Let's give 8 claps to Sahir. 8 claps. Alright. Sahir loves to drink water. He drinks 8 or 9 glasses a day. So it is important, class, especially kids like you, drink water daily or 8 times a day. 8 times or 8 glasses a day. You need to take in water. So water is essential in our body. So do you understand? Okay. Now my question, class, why do you think it is essential for us to learn this essential nutrients? Yes, I want to hear from about that. Yes, about that.
What is your question, teacher?
Why do you think it is essential for us to learn or learning this essential nutrients?
Because teacher, these essential nutrients, teacher, this makes our body healthy, teacher, and gives us energy.
Yes, gives us energy. Okay. Alright, very good. What else?
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, for us to know, teacher, if what food should we eat for us to be able to
Yes, very good. So also it helps us, like what Jason says, it also helps us to identify what proper foods that we need to take in or for our body to be able to function properly. So do you understand, class?
Yes!
Okay. So for me to know that you already understand our lesson today, let me call on Mr. Arnor for our activity.
Hey, hello! Okay, so did you learn from our teacher Jelly?
Yes!
Okay, for that, we will have a group activity. Okay? So again, where is the group 1? Raise your hand. Group 2, and lastly the group 3. Okay, so as you can see, I have here a mini market entitled Rogen Mini Market with different goods or items such as we have vegetables, we have milk, we have egg, we have rice, meat, and some junk foods. Okay? So now, listen. What you are going to do is to collect goods or items according to the group of nutrients they contain. Okay? So, for group 1, you will collect, where's the group 1? Okay. For group 1, you will collect items or goods that contains macronutrients. Again, what are the 3 macronutrients? We have
Protein, and fat.
However, you will just collect food or items that contain carbohydrates and protein only. Okay? Not included ang fats. Okay, understood? Group 1? Okay. So, for group 2, you will collect food or items that contain micronutrients. What are the 2 micronutrients?
Vitamins and minerals.
Okay, did you understand group 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and lastly, for group 3, you will collect items or goods that contains macronutrients and water. Okay, you will collect macronutrients that you will only collect food or goods that contain fats in macronutrients. Okay, not included yung carbohydrates and protein. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and also water. Okay, so each group will be given 1 minute to collect the item. Okay, so at the end of the given time, each group will choose 1 representative to go in front and present to the class the food or what goods they have collected. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, a group that is able to collect correct items or goods will earn points. Are we clear?
Yes, teacher.
So, each group must have 3 representatives. 3 only. Okay? Are we clear?
Yes.
Are we clear? Hindi ko naririnig.
Yes.
Okay, where is the representative of group 1? 3 only. Group 1. Okay, Okay, your 1 minute starts now. Okay, 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10, 15 seconds. representative, 3 representative from group 3, group 2. Let's go. Okay, your 1 minute starts now. Okay, you have 15 minutes. 15 seconds. Okay, done. Hands up. Sor is the representative of group 3. 3 representative for So 1 minute starts now.
Lagi sa plato, Charmaine.
Okay, 30 seconds. And okay, done. Okay, so where is the group 1? Can you present your collected goods? Group 1. Because after you present it, we will check if you collected the right goods.
Hi, good morning. So our side topic is the macronutrients. So the carbohydrates and protein. So we chose this product. So first, meron kami para sa carbohydrates, meron kami potato, bread, and rice. And also for protein, we have eggs, we have fish, and beans and meat. That's it.
Now let's check their has. So as we can see here, they collected egg, okay, potato, we have also here, what is this? Fish. And then they have meat and this is, what is this? Beans and rice. So egg, can we consider egg contains egg? Is this belong to macronutrients? That's right. How about fish? Yes. It contains what? Essential nutrients. Protein. Very good. Potato, can we consider it belongs to macronutrients? Yes. It contains what? Carbohydrates. How about bread? Yes. How about protein? Protein belongs to macronutrients. How about a meat? Do we consider him meat from macronutrients? Yes, and it contains what? Proteins. And lastly, rice.
Yes.
Yes, carbohydrate. And it belongs to macronutrients. So for that, okay, for that, let's give the group 1 the perfect clap. Okay, everyone stand up. Stand up. Perfect clap. Stand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
And now, I will call the group to present their work.
So, hawak ko ang mineral. Kasi hawak ko ang leaf. So, ito yung mga leaf na kasama dito. Kamuting kahoy kasi iba ka siya. Kamote yan. Kamuting dahon. Lagos ng kamote. And then, mustasa. And, ang tawag, ano ba? At yun lamang po. At si Emmy naman ang may hawak na. Kung hawak ko ang gift, hawak niya naman ang.
Hawak ko ang vitamins and minerals. So, for vitamins, as we all know, kumuha tayo ng vitamins pag kumakain tayo ng avocado. Very good. And also, vitamins from different kinds of vegetables. So, pipino, 16 pesos. Ayun o, di ba? And then, carrots, ampalaya, sili, and calamansi. Ako po, hawak ko ang vitamins. Vitamins and minerals po. So, dito yung mga vegetables lang pala. So, ang palaya, my favorite, kamote, kamatis, tumo.
Hindi ko mag-book si Emmy.
Okay, now let's check. Let's check here. Output, okay? So basically, as we can see here, they collected all the vegetables and minerals, okay? So we have here vegetables and minerals. So last, I have a question. What is this? Tomato. Okay. Can we consider tomato a vegetable or vegetable? Who says fruits? Well, this is just a piece of trivia, okay? So, scientifically, tomato is considered a fruit. Okay? Fruit sa kabilang. Kasi nga, it develops in the flower of tomato plant. And also it has seed, which is one of the features of fruits according to botany. Yun. And also when we talk about culinary or cooking, some people consider it as vegetable. Bakit? Because ginagamit siya sa mga ingredients, no, sa iba't ibang dishes. And also because of its savory flavor. Yun. So, group 3 got the correct foods or items. So for that, let's give them amazing clap. Okay, just stay in your seat. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, now I will call the group 3 to present the work. Where is the group 3?
Ako magawa.
So, hawak namin ang water. So, etong apat is, it helps, itulak yung pagkain. other hand, nag-collect din kami ng under the macronutrients, which is fats. So the goods that we have collected, we have margarine or star margarine and oil. I don't know if it is vegetable or cooking oil. And then the nuts or peanuts.
Okay. So let's check the work. So group 3 collected the oil, star margarine, and nuts. So these 3 belongs to Pan. Okay, so they are correct. So here, they are also collected water and some soft drinks. Okay, so soft drinks, can you consider this as water?
Yes.
Yes, soft drinks water, however, it has flavors. Flavor with some chemicals. So in general, we can consider it as water kasi may mix na siya. So tama sila dito hindi. So for that, let's give them ano pang clap?
Very good.
Good job, guys.
Good job clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Good job, good job. Good job, good job, good job, good job.
Okay, did you learn from our activity?
Yes.
So now we will have a 10-item quiz. Okay? Get one in class. Okay, get one in class. So I will read the direction. Okay, directions. Choose and trigger the letter of the best answer. Okay, for example, number 1. Which nutrients is the body's main source of energy? Often found in rice, bread, and pasta. Okay, A. Protein. B. Carbohydrates. C. Vitamins. And D. Fats. D. So you have 10 minutes to do or answer the test. The 10 minutes starts now. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, pass your paper to the center eye and then move it forward. All papers here? Okay. So now, get your PE and health notebook and write this assignment. Everyone read. 1, 2, 3, go.
Assignment. Directions. Make your own healthy eating plate. To make this, cut pictures of various foods and drinks that your body needs to be healthy from old magazines and newspapers. Paste it onto short size bond paper.
Okay, you have 5 minutes to write your assignment. Are you done writing? Okay, good. Now we will count the goods or items that each group have bought. Okay? Let's go all together. Okay, for group 1, 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
okay. So group 1 got 9 goods or items. For group 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
okay, 10 got, group 2 got 10 goods. So now for group 3,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
okay, obviously the group 2 got the highest points. For that, you will receive a prize. Okay? However, for the rest of the group will also receive a prize. Okay?
First placer to Kuya.
Sorry. Okay, everyone please please stand. Please stand, please stand. Okay. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, see you later. Picture. Picture.
Thank you. Kuya. 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 Kanino table? Table.
Green flower.
Eh, treat tayo ba? Alera, yun na yan. Kaiser mo. Eh, ganay. Now you have to shout. Marjorie.
Uy, walang break. Dalian na natin.
Guys, parang tapos na daw.
Magbe-break.
So, ano yung maghuli ang Monday na?
Kaya kayo alas 8 na yung bulbul, pwede man kami yan.
So, dyan yung mga Wednesday at the
Tara ba?
Hindi mo kasi pasaya kami na saya.
Thank you, ma'am. Kasi lahat naman na pang volunteer.
Guys, baka may ilang sa mga Guys, yan daw yung volunteer para Monday. Sino daw sa nang mga para na Adriana. Para mo.
Ano ba?
Nag-volunteer ng Monday.
Eh, para Monday ka.
verify sino daw
Hindi, sino lang po? Kasi,
Bilis na lang.
yung tinanong ko, ang kinausap ko, nag-volunteer nung Monday. Monday kayo na?
Ako, ma'am.
Monday kayo pa niya. Sige ka, magbasa kayo. Monday ka kami. Monday na, Monday na.
Kami, ma'am. Wednesday na kami, ma'am.
Basa kayo.
Wala ako talaga basta, ma'am.
Tapos sige bang ano mo? Sino sino audience mo?
Wala. Kailan mag-demo ulit, ma'am?
Wow, perfect!
All yours.
Face to face. Yan, hindi ko alam kasi problema ka talaga ang kitong section.
Alson, kaliwa mo!
Ano kami ma'am?
Eh,
5 to
model,
7
no?
kami ma'am. Yes, 5:30 to 7. Hindi naman ako attended na.
No, Ramil!
Ma'am,
Ay, ulat ka na sa kaya.
yapit lang yung sarili. Uy, bali suplong daw. Kasi siya, ano ya ka?
Hindi. Ma'am, sa plan namin, ma'am.
Wednesday, ma'am.
Ma'am, kung di mo maintindihan sulat ni Ramil, ma'am, may kopya kami, ma'am.
Dili ka mo Wednesday. Ahad ka mo karabas mo.
Kasama mo.
Na, dili ka mo
Naman yun.
Tuesday.
Why ka mo audience?
Tuesday, ma'am. Tuesday, ma'am. Kahit bilang audience namin.
Umaga lang yung ano yung karabasa. Hapon.
Hindi ko, ang Tuesday ko is may ano din ako. Ano?
Naku, no, dami.
Morning lang man yung karabasa.
Kasi ang memo ni kami pa sila para sa amin. 5:30 to 7 ma'am. Okay.
Gabi.
Gilang, ma'am. Monday, ma'am. 7 to 8. Okay lang, ma'am.
5:30 kami. So 5:30 to 6:30. Pero yung sign kasi
6:30 to 7:30.
Hindi na kami, ma'am.
Monday na kayo, ma'am.
Oo, hindi na.
Thank you, ma'am. Eh, paano pala yung estudyante namin, ma'am?
Seriously na, umila na lang kita.
Kami lang.
Umila na lang. Umila na lang.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, di ko atin sulat ni Ramil, ma'am. Ang kami kopya, ma'am.
sana yung ako.
Grabe kayo mag-demo.
Guys, tapusin natin to lang.
Monday na kami. Oo, marami. Kami na, oo.
Dapat pa na lang
Antay.
pwede namin ulit yes po. Kahapon sa kasi po, gawin na kasi namin ang lunchtime, ma'am. Malaman yan. Hindi talaga siya second kami, ma'am. Pwede lunchtime kayo. Yeah, mga 2:30. Tapos dito, check ko naman yung wait lang. Justin, punta pa kami doon lang. Mama, check ko kami kung kami. Tawagin ko lang kayo is my questions. Or punta na lang kayo to. Punta na lang kami doon.
Larger the youth.